society for years now. An achievement for anyone to be on the cover, whatever we may do otherwise, but to be on the cover of Society, because I don't see myself as Society. I was very excited that they've actually dared to put someone like me, who's not your glamorous size 0, getting there, but
I better read this interview and find out what rubbish I've spoken inside.
makeup and it took me 10 minutes. This photo shoot was done at my house.
भाई साहब मुझे पता है फोटोशॉप होता है, टाइम वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Because now when I go into a store, at least I fit into a large size. Earlier I was from triple XL, I don't know what. Or at least now a L size I get into it. I think any woman will lie and say that no, I'm not really bothered. I think despite all our achievements, the one thing we really want to hear is, wow, you've lost weight. That is better than saying, wow, your movie was very good or you acted well or something. No, wow, you've lost weight. Everyone wants to hear that. I have hired assistants and they are paid every morning when I enter office. They all have to say, wow, ma'am, you're looking so thin. I am happy to, if I go to a size 12, let's be realistic, I'll be happy. I don't think size 0 is sexy in any case. Who wants to look like a 14-year-old boy? When I was not seeing my acting, I was only seeing how much weight I put on. That's all I was seeing, how fat I'm looking in the film. I'm only getting into trouble, but I think people kind of don't I think they expect that of me, and I don't think anyone takes offense anymore because they know somewhere whatever I'm saying it honestly. I'm not making you ullu and then bitching behind your back.
मेरी जर्नी सोसाइटी के साथ बहुत पुरानी है. जब मैं डांसर थी, आई थिंक 1985 या 86 में, तब सोसाइटी ने आर्टिकल किया था जब मैं सिर्फ एक बडिंग डांसर थी. सो आई रिमेंबर दैट. और सोसाइटी में आना तब से आई थिंक एक स्टैचर की, एक स्टेटस की बात होती है. एंड lot of celebrities, lot of big stars, lot of important people have been featured, and I'm very honored कि उन्होंने कवर स्टोरी के लिए मुझे सिलेक्ट किया. I had triplets. It takes a long time to lose that kind of weight and the kind of stretching that your body goes through. So when you put pressure on new mothers to lose weight, I can completely understand it. It takes a long time for the body to get back. It's been 4 years now and I was still looking pregnant for 4 years. And when I saw Shireen Farhad, I was really fat in it. And when I saw the movie, I was like, I got a reality check. I was like, no, I can't go on the rest of my life looking like this. So I decided to do a tummy tuck, white jeans and a striped clingy t-shirt. I see all these skinny moms in my children's school wearing that white jeans. So I guess that.